Okay, good morning to all.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
We are in third day of the chapter probability. We are in probability, and already we completed 2 days related to theoretical part, its experimental part. We discussed a lot of things yesterday and the day before yesterday. So today we are going to start our exercise 19 of your book. So let's move to exercise 19. So this is the question from exercise 19, and question number first. Find the probability of getting an ace when a card is drawn randomly from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. Is this question clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Understanding the question is half the solution of it itself. त्यसैले फर्स्टमा क्वेसन बुझ्नु जरुरी छ. एउटा वेल सफल्ड प्याक अफ 52 कार्ड छ प्लेइङ कार्ड्सको, त्यसबाट हामीले एउटा कार्ड निकाल्दैछौँ भने एक्का आउने प्रोबेबिलिटी कति होला? व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी अफ गेटिङ एस? दैट इज आवर क्वेशन. So here our favorable case, we discussed about possible outcomes, favorable case, event, experiment. This choosing a card is experiment from well shuffled pack of 52 cards, and our favorable case is ace. To get the ace, हामीले एक्का ल्याउने probability, एक्का आउने probability find out गर्नुपर्ने छ. So our favorable case is to find out the probability of getting ace, and total possible outcomes are there are total 52 cards. There may be any one card out of 52 cards. 52 card मध्येबाट कुनै एउटा हुन सक्छ. So total possible outcomes are 52. You have to write it as like total number of cards. This is the total possible outcomes, NS, or number of elements inside the sample space. Sample space भनेको possible outcome हरुको set हो, and possible outcomes are total 52 cards, any of the 52 cards. Next one is number of ace. This is our favorable case for which we are going to find out the probability. So probability of the event is what? We have the formula. I think you know the formula. Probability of event is equal to number of favorable cases divided by total possible outcomes. Is this the formula? Check it. NE means number of favorable cases, NS means total possible outcomes. So number of favorable cases is if divided by total possible outcomes, it gives us the probability of getting ace. Now simplify it. Your numerator and denominator ma cancel out gara, both are cancelled by 4, and it becomes 1 by 13. Is there any problem in it?
No, sir.
No, okay. If there is any problem, you may say it, okay? And now take a screenshot of this one. Have you taken the screenshot?
Yes, sir.
If there is problem, you may say either in chat or directly by unmuting your mic. So let's move to next question now. Other questions are also similar. After today, that means up to Sunday, you have 3-4 days to practice. So try to complete these questions of exercise, except the questions which we are going to do today. आज गरे क्वेशन बाहेक गर त्यसपछि which you don't know you may ask on to me on Saturday, and those I will solve on Sunday again for you. So look at question number 4. If you have book now, or either you have hard copy or soft copy, check your book or check on the screen. A bag contains 2 blue, 3 black and 5 red marbles of same size. If one marble is drawn randomly from the bag, what is the probability of getting black marble? Also find the probability of not getting a black marble. So this is the related to the thing which we discussed yesterday at the last. कुनै कुराको occurrence आउने probability 1 हुन्छ, sorry, if probability is PE, to get the probability of not getting that one, we have to subtract it from 1. Yesterday we discussed at the last. So same thing we have to use here today. अब यहाँ total number of balls हरु कति छन्, that is our total number of balls are 2, 3 plus 5. Total 10 balls are there. That is total possible outcomes. You जुन total 10 वटा बलहरु छ, 2टा ब्लू, 3टा ब्ल्याक, 5 वटा रेड, यो 10 वटा बलहरु मध्येबाटै एउटा बल आउने हो. If we are going to choose one ball out of all balls, so total possible outcomes are 2 plus 3 plus 5, it is 10. Similarly, question is find the probability of getting black marble if ball is chosen random, sorry, marble is chosen randomly. Marble लाई randomly choose गर्दैछौं without any biasness. त्यहाँ भित्र bag भित्र हात हालेर एउटा marble निकाल्दैछौं. Then what is the probability of getting black marble? So black marble is our favorable event. How many black marbles are there?
3.
3 black.
3.
That is our favorable event. So number of black marbles, and this is written as NE. Favorable event लाई हामीले NE लेख्छौं है. अघिल्लो क्वेशन मा पनि we did the same thing. NS means total possible outcomes. This is written as NS. So we have to find out the probability of getting black marble, that is probability of event, favorable event. So we have the formula, simple thing as like last question. Number of favorable outcomes divided by total possible outcomes. So it gives us 3 out of 10. 3 are favorable events and 10 are total possible outcomes. We can't cancel out these because these both are not divisible by the same number, so it remains same. Either you can leave these terms as fraction or you can convert it into decimal also. Divide गरेर probability लाई decimal मा राखे पनि हुन्छ. Okay, that is your choice what you want to do. You can leave it as it is or you can find out it in decimal. Next question, next thing is probability of not getting black. This is the next part of the question. After this question mark, also find the probability of not getting black marble. That is our question. So probability of not getting black marble means 1 minus probability of getting marble. Getting black marble. Black marble आउने probability 1 बाट minus गर्यो भने black marble नआउने probability आउँछ, because 1 is the whole total possible probability. 1 is the highest probability. जसरी set को chapter मा universal set हुन्छ, यहाँ probability को केसमा 1 is the universal set. So if in chapter of set, if we are finding probability of not getting something, sorry, not probability, number of not getting something, त्यहाँ कुनै नआउने, just like failed in math or who don't like to dance, त्यस्तो कुराहरु त्यहाँ फाइन्ड आउट गर्थ्यौं भने त्यसलाई युनिभर्सल सेटबाट माइनस गर्थ्यौं. बट इन प्रोबेबिलिटी वी हैव टु सबट्र्याक्ट इट फ्रम 1 because 1 is total probability and probability of event or probability of favorable outcomes, that is 3 by 10. It is subtracted from total probability and it is equal to 1 minus 3 by 10, which gives us 7 by 10. Is this clear? 10 1
Yes,
the 10 minus 3 7 by 10.
10.
I think you are in 9th class, so I don't have to calculate it more. You calculate
Yes.
गरेर देखाउनु पर्छ त 10 into 1 minus 3 by
No,
10.
sir.
So, it is 7 by 10, simple
10
thing.
1 the 10 minus 3 7.
Okay. So take a screenshot of this one or copy in your copy.
Yes, sir. Taken, sir. Screenshot.
Taken.
Sir.
Then can I move
Sir.
to next question?
Taken.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Who is that?
Or if there is any problem, you may ask to me.
Sir, I have problem, sir.
Yes, please.
So question number 3, sir. What type of question is that?
Question number 3.
Yes,
Do you
sir.
have soft copy now?
No, sir. I will read that question out. What is the probability of giving birth to a child by a pregnant woman on Sunday?
On Sunday. Okay. How many days are there in week?
7.
7.
7 days.
अब प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन ले 7 days मध्ये कुनै एक दिनमा त बर्थ दिने नै हो, isn't it?
1/7, sir.
So there is chance total possible outcomes are 7 and favorable outcome Sunday. Sunday कतिवटा हुन्छ?
1.
एउटा.
एउटा हुन्छ.
1.
Okay. Favorable outcome number of Sunday is 1. Total possible outcome 7. So probability of giving birth to baby on Sunday is any by
1
n
by
is that
7.
is 1/7.
Okay, sir.
1/7.
Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So can I move to next question?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
So next question I included here is 8 number. Other question you may try. If problem comes, you may ask next week. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. 47 are in class. It's good number today. Okay. Answer the following question based on sample space of 2 coins when tossed simultaneously. Do you know the meaning of simultaneously? दुईटा कोइनहरु सँगसँगै
लगातार।
टस गरेको केस भन्ने है. Both are done together, both are tossed together. So if 2 coins are tossed together, what will be the sample space? That is the most important thing for us. जस्तो दुईटा कोइन टस गर्दै छौं भने these are the questions at first. What is the probability of getting 2 heads? दुईटै कोइनमा हेड आउने probability. We have to find out the probability of getting head on both coins. First coin मा पनि हेड आउने, second coin मा पनि हेड आउने. Similarly, what is the probability of getting 2 tails? दुईटै coin मा tail आउने on both coins, either in first or in second, getting tail. Third one, what is the probability of getting tail in one and head in another? एउटा coin मा tail, अर्को coin मा head आउने probability. These 3 probabilities we have to calculate here. So first thing is we have to know this sample space. Look at this set which I have made here as sample space. यो sample space हेर त. दुईटा कोइनलाई हामी सँगै टस गर्दै छौं भने if we are going to toss 2 coins together, either we will get head and head. एउटामा head अर्कोमा पनि head आउँछ, isn't it? Or we will get head on first and tail on second. First मा head र second मा tail आउन सक्छ. Or first tail and second head or both tail. Is this set clear?
Sir.
यहाँ बनेको sample space clear छ कि
Yes,
छैन?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Or is there any other possibility also? दुईटा coin toss गर्दाखेरि यो बाहेक पनि केही possible हुन्छ?
No, sir.
हुन सक्दैन. फर्स्ट मा हेड र दोस्रोमा हेड, फर्स्ट मा हेड दोस्रोमा टेल, वा फर्स्ट मा टेल दोस्रो हेड और बोथ टेल्स. यो चारवटा पोसिबिलिटी बाहेक केही पनि हुँदैन. सो yes, Rohan, if there is problem you may ask to me. Rohan, please, you raise the hand. Okay, you lowered the hand. Okay, maybe by mistake you did that. So our total possible outcomes are 4 because there are 4 possible outcomes inside the sample space. Sample space मा दुईटा coin toss गर्दाखेरि 4 वटा possible outcome भएको हुनाले यिनीहरुको नम्बरलाई काउन्ट गरेर लेखेको. This is the 4. And now there is our in their first question. In our first question, what is the probability of getting two heads? Duita head आउने probability. Now look at the sample space. We have to look at the sample space. Sample space मा दुईटै head भएको कतिवटा छन्? This is one. This is one. There are total four.
Euta.
Out of
One.
these four, how many have both head? One only. So that is our favorable outcome. Favorable outcome भनेको दुईटै head भएको outcome, head and head. Number of
Head
two
and head.
heads in sample space is only one.
One.
So question is find out the probability of getting both head. We have the formula. Probability of favorable event is number of favorable event divided by total possible outcomes. Number of favorable event like total possible outcome ले divide गर्नु पर्यो. It is equal to 1 out of 4, 1 by 4, or you can convert it into decimal 0.25. So this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, we have to do B number. You can guess the answer of B. What is the answer of B?
1/4 same, sir.
1 by 4, sir. Same answer.
1 by 4, because
1 by 4.
the outcome
Because
having
1
two
by 4.
tail is one only. दुईटा tail भएको
Two tail is
outcome
one
एउटा
only.
मात्रै छ, and total possible outcomes are 4. So
Four.
its answer will
Four.
be again
1 by 4.
1 by 4. Okay, is this clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Number of two tails, दुईटा tail भएको एउटा मात्रै छ, and total possible outcomes I have already written in previous slide, so I have not written here again. Total possible outcome यहाँ फेरि लेख्या छैन है. So probability of event is NE by NS. Number of two tail is 1 and total possible outcome 4. This is the answer for question number B. Now look at question number C. Number of outcomes with one tail and one head. Is this true or I have written wrong here?
Yes, sir. It's right. Two only.
One tail. Yes, sir. Two, sir.
एउटा हेड र एउटा टेल हुने दुईटा छन् नि यो स्याम्पल स्पेसमा.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Head tail, head tail.
Yes, sir.
There are two possible outcomes with head and tail. So possible outcome, favorable outcome is 2 with one head and one tail. Our question is find the probability of getting one tail and another head. So formula is again same. It is number of favorable outcome divided by total possible outcomes,
Number
and
of total
it is
possible outcomes.
2 by 4.
1 by 2. Yes, sir.
Favorable outcomes are 2, total possible outcomes are 4, and after cancelling 2 and 4 by same number, it gives us 1 by 2. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is
Yes,
the
sir.
solution of question number 8C.
8. Yes, sir.
So take a screenshot of this one and I'll move to next question for you. Done? If there is any problem, please tell it to me. And as well as mute your mics. If you have to ask question, then only unmute. Mics of Rahul and Rohit. Okay, muted. It's okay. It's better to mute yourself. So let's move to next question. All of you look at question number 11. Among the 100 newly born babies in a hospital, 35 are daughter What is the empirical probability that newly born baby is boy? The question is clear to you? Are
Yes,
you
sir.
listening me? Question is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
एउटा हस्पिटलमा टोटल
Yes, sir.
100 जना बच्चाहरू जन्मेका छन्, त्यो मध्ये 35 डटर छन्, छोरीहरू छन्. Actually, probability of giving birth to boy or girl is 50-50, 50% हुन्छ, 1/2, 1/2 chance हुन्छ, half chance हुन्छ. But empirical probability may be different. Yesterday we discussed, I think, about it. So empirical probability को केसमा we have to think about the possible outcomes during the experiment. Experiment मा भएका possible outcomes which are favorable to us. And question is, find the probability of newly born baby is boy. छोरा हुने probability. Number of daughters दिएको छ, but we have to find out the probability of boy. If 35 are daughter, how many are boy?
100 minus
75.
65.
65. Okay.
65.
65, sir.
Okay.
65.
So number of newly born babies are 100. I have written here NS, or total number of experiment we can say. In case of empirical probability, हामीसँग formula के छ भने number of favorable outcomes through the experiment, बाट आएका favorable outcomes हरू divided by total number of experiments. This NS in empirical probability means total number of experiment. Experiment कति भएको छ? 100, because there are 100 babies, 100 newly born babies. And number of daughters are 35. If number of daughters are 35, number of boys are 65, and this is our favorable outcome. Number of boys भनेको favorable outcome. So the solution is simple. Probability of giving birth to boy, or probability of getting newly born baby is boy, is number of favorable events from the experiment divided by total number of experiments. So it gives us 13 divided by 20. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So take a screenshot of this one. This much for today from the exercise 19. 19 but यति नै हो. Now we'll discuss something more. How much time is remaining? 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
10.
Okay, near about
10.
10 minutes is remaining. So let me stop this sharing, and again I will share. So your homework is to complete exercise 19. If any problem comes, send that question to me, okay? Questions हरूमा केही problem आयो भने
Okay.
त्यो question मलाई send गर, okay? So I am moving to one. Just wait. Do you have pen and paper? I said I will
Yes, sir.
do paper cutting project,
Yes, sir.
but I forget to take scissor, papers, these things with me. I will show a video to you. And afterward you have to try, okay? Not now, because it is a little bit long project. Okay, if sound is not coming,
Yes.
then also there is nothing, then background sound मात्रै राखेको छ. The maker is not speaking anything, so just try to understand it. बनाउने तरिका सिक. Mathematical I भनेर नेटमा युट्युबमा सर्च गर्यो भने पनि you will get it. Up to end of today's Zoom time, please view it. The total time is 21.
Sir,
So
we'll
you
not
may
be able to finish the video, sir. त्यो भिडियो को लिंक गर्दिन कि लिंक कि यसरी त्यो उ देखाउन न सर. त्यो च्यानल कुन थियो, नाम के थियो?
Geometrical eye भनेपछि आइहाल्छ भने कति हुन्छ नि कति
geometrical eye or mathematical eye.
म त टपिकै थाहा थिएन भिडियोको. ज्योमेट्री.
Simply I will skip it, okay? Because we don't have enough time. यसरी हरेक 90 डिग्रीमा 88 वटा लाइनहरु छ टोटल. इक्वल डिस्टेन्स इक्वल एंगल बनाएर 88 वटा लाइन टोटल 8 4 जा. What is value of
32.
it? 32 लाइन्सहरु छन् यसमा. 32 लाइन्सहरु ड्रा गरिसकेपछि त्यसपछि यसको इन्टरनल सर्कल जुन अहिले बनाएको थियो त्यो भन्दा अलि ठूलो सर्कल बाहिर बनाएर इरेज गरिदिएको छ. यहाँ के गरेछ भने इन्टरनल सर्कल र एक्सटर्नल सर्कल दुईटा बनाउँदाखेरि इक्वल डिस्टेन्स लिएको छ सेन्टर देखि. Then she started drawing circles of the same radius as its half. हेर त कुन पोइन्टबाट सर्कलहरु ड्रा गरिरहेछ. अघि बनाएको जुन इक्वल डिस्टेन्सको लाइनहरु थियो यहाँबाट सर्कलहरु ड्रा गरिरहेछ. Okay, how much time is remaining for us?
Amazing sir, amazing.
Okay, I'll send link of this one to you in your group also.
Wow, very nice.
Amazing, amazing.
We will do paper cutting walk next week, okay?
Yes sir, I got the video, sir.
Okay, okay. You may share to your group. Okay, this much for today. Thank you. Now after this, you may join your next class. Have a great day and complete your homeworks, okay?
Okay sir, thank you sir.
Bye bye, sir.
Yeah.